इन 2017 मनोवा के हवाई यूनिवर्सिटी के साइंटिस्टों ने एक बहुत ही पेकुलर सेलेस्टियल बॉडी को देखा जो हमारे सौरमंडल से गुजरने वाली पहली नॉन इंट्रास्टेलर ऑब्जेक्ट थी। एंड दिस स्मॉल रॉकी ऑब्जेक्ट दैट डिड नॉट हेल फ्रॉम अर्थ नेबरहुड but was born in a star system far, far away. The interstellar visitor named Oumuamua by the team that discovered it, which roughly translates from Hawaiian as first distant messenger or a scout. First spotted by Pan-STAR project as Halkala Observatory in Mau, the tumbling object accelerated in a way that could not be explained by gravity alone, and based on the light it reflected, Oumuamua appeared to be an elongated cigar-shaped object, a shape unlike anything seen in our solar system, instead of ice and comet-like. Oumuamua was a rocky and dry, more likely an asteroid. It was too tiny and dim to observe the surface directly, so astronomers inferred its shape based on how it reflects light as it tumbled. Its strange elongated form immediately provoked speculation about its origin, and as astronomers continued to observe Oumuamua passage, they noticed curious acceleration that were described to water vapor erupting from its beneath its surface. And a Chinese scientist claimed that the mysterious Oumuamua and the last week a Chinese scientist claimed that the mysterious Oumuamua asteroid is a part of an Earth-sized exoplanet that was destroyed by its star. According to the study published in the journal Nature, the planet was ripped apart by tidal force due to its close proximity to the star. The researcher says that during such a process, debris is ejected into interstellar space. Dr. Yang Jiang, the study lead author, says that this may explain why Oumuamua has non-gravitational acceleration. If Oumuamua was produced and ejected in the way we suggest, plenty of residual water ice could be activated during its passage through the solar system. The resulting outgassing would cause acceleration that matched Oumuamua comet-like trajectory. Dr. Yang Jiang wrote, scientists says that the origin of Oumuamua may explain the asteroid's unusual elongated shape, while researchers also say that the asteroid melted and reformed into a cigar-shaped object as it passed the star. According to the Chinese scientists, Oumuamua is just the tip of the iceberg and that more interstellar object will pass through our solar system. The discovery of Oumuamua implies that the population of rocky interstellar object is much larger than we previously thought. On average, each planetary system should eject in total amount 100 trillion objects like Oumuamua, said Dr. Zhang. The discovery of Oumuamua in 2017 baffled scientists for years. Researchers had argued that about its origin, its dry surface, unusual shape, and motion led researchers led to assume that the celestial object could in fact be an alien probe, while others have assumed that the celestial object is simply a comet.